Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use group invite links on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to use group invite links, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just open chats. Here's the chat section, just tap on it and here select the group and then tap on group profile and here select invite link. Here you must have to enable this setting. Just tap on it and the setting will be enabled. Now you will get a link of your group section. You can easily share your group on other apps. You can generate a QR code for your group. You can send the link in your Instagram message and you can copy the link. Just tap on copy to copy the link. Now go to the chats or the person which you want to send the link of the group. So that's how you can easily use group invite links on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.